Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we understand how formula will change in interval. So you can see in a Fourier series, interval play major role. First interval is a pi interval and other interval is L interval. L means any constant. So in a pi interval there are two kinds again. First is 0 to 2 pi and second is a minus pi to plus pi. So in a 0 to 2 pi you have to use formula for a0 which is equal to 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. For an the formula will be 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx, and for bn the formula will be 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. In minus pi to plus pi limit there are three conditions. First is neither even nor odd. The second condition is even condition, and the third condition when the function is odd function. Okay, so when function is neither even nor odd, so your a0 value will be same as the previous one, but the limit will be minus pi to plus pi f of x dx. For an this is again 1 upon pi minus pi to plus pi f of x cos nx dx, and for bn it is 1 upon pi minus pi to plus pi f of x sin nx dx. For even function the formula of a0 will be 2 upon pi 0 to pi f of x dx. For formula you can watch the previous video so you understand how the formula will be this. And for an value is again 2 upon pi 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx, and for this value of bn is equal to 0. So this is your value of a0, an and bn. Similarly for odd function your value of a0 is 0, your value of an is 0, and you have to find only the value of bn which is equal to 2 upon pi 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. So this is how we can solve for pi limit. First of all the limit will be either 0 to 2 pi, so the formula and integration limit is 0 to 2 pi. For minus pi to plus pi, three cases: a is neither even nor odd, second is when case function is even, and third case when the function is odd function. And for even function you have to find only value of a0 and an. For odd function you have to find only value of bn. And you can combine this all value of a0, an and bn in f of x, which is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So you have to put the value of a0, an and bn from according to this limit. You have to put this value a0, an and bn in this formula, and you will get the new series that is called Fourier series, and you can convert our function f of x into Fourier series. So let's see how to solve for L limit, for constant limit, how to solve the question or how to convert a function into Fourier series. For L interval there are two cases. First is 0 to 12 and second is minus L to plus L. In a 0 to 12 the formula of a0 is equal to 1 upon L 0 to 12 f of x dx. For an the formula will be 1 upon L 0 to 12 f of x. Now cos n pi x divided by L. N pi x divided by L dx. And for Bn, which is equal to 1 upon L 0 to 12 f of x sine n pi x divided by L dx. In a minus L to plus L, the condition arise, three conditions arise. First is when it is neither even nor odd. Okay, when it is neither even nor odd, your formula will be same as the previous one, but the limit will be changed from minus L to plus L. F of x dx, and an value is 1 upon L minus L to plus L. F of x cos n pi x divided by L dx, and similarly Bn value will be 1 upon L minus L to plus L f of x sine n pi x divided by, this is angle, n pi x divided by L dx. The second condition is when the function is even function, and when the function is even function you have to find only a0 and an value. Okay, your Bn value will be 0 in that case, and a0 and an value will be 2 times of 0 to L. You can write f of x dx. The concept is the same as the minus pi to plus pi limit, because when the function is even we can write 0 to L limit 2 times of that function. And again for this an value 2 upon L 0 to L f of x cos n pi x divided by L dx. And the last one, when the function is odd function, so your a0 is equal to 0, your an is equal to 0, you have to find only Bn value, and this is equal to 2 upon L 0 to L f of x sine n pi x divided by L dx. So this is your formula for Fourier series in L interval. First you can see the formula is when the limit is 0 to 12. The first case when the limit is 0 to 12. The second case is when the limit is minus L to plus L. Okay, 0 to 12 your formula will be 1 upon L 0 to 12 f of x dx. 1 upon L 0 to 12 f of x cos n pi x divided by L dx. This is formula for an. And Bn formula 1 upon L 0 to 12 f of x sine n pi x divided by L. Okay, and you have to combine this formula again in f of x. So f of x is equal to a0 by 2 summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x divided by L. Where you write cos nx dx, you have to write cos n pi x divided by L plus n is equal to 1 to infinity Bn sine n pi x divided by L. So this is your f of x, where you can convert a function into Fourier series. Okay, when your function is odd function, your series can convert it into sine terms. When your function is even function, your series converted into cosine term. You have to find only a0 and an value, so your function will be converted into cosine form. And when your function is in neither even nor odd condition, so your function can be converted into sine and cosine series.